Good day, doctor. I'm Guo Sheng, I220-22573. Today, I will be presenting my research proposal titled Employee Well-being and Quality of Work-Life as Predictors of Organization Commitment, the mediating role of job satisfaction among the Malaysian SME employees. This study focuses on understanding how employees' well-being and quality of work-life contribute to their commitment within Malaysian small and medium enterprise. Introduction. In today's competitive business environment, employee commitment is essential to ensure organizational success, especially in SMEs that form the backbone of Malaysia's economy. However, many Malaysian SMEs struggle with the high turnover rates and low job satisfaction. Improving employee well-being and the quality of work life can play a key role in enhancing satisfaction and long-term commitment. The main keywords guiding this study are employee well-being, quality of work life, job satisfaction, and organizational commitment. Research problem. Although many international studies show that employee well-being and quality of work life positively affect organization commitment, there is limited evidence from Malaysian SMEs. Employees in SMEs often experience job insecurity, heavy workloads, and limited career growth opportunities. Therefore, this research aims to bridge the gap by examining how well-being and quality of work life affect organization commitment with job satisfaction acting as a mediator. Sorry. Research objective. The main goal of this study is to understand how employee well-being and quality of work life influence commitment through job satisfaction. Specifically, the objectives are: first, to examine how employee well-being influence job satisfaction. Second, to determine how quality of work life relates to the job satisfaction. Third, to test the direct impact of both variables on organizational commitment. And finally, to evaluate the mediating role of job satisfaction between these relationships. Theoretical framework. This research is grounded in two key theories. The first is the social exchange theory set. This theory suggests that when employees feel supported and valued by organization, they respond with loyalty and commitment. The second is the Husband two-factor theory, which highlights that both hygiene factors like salary and policies, and motivators like recognition and growth, both influence job satisfaction and organizational commitment. Conceptual framework. This is the conceptual framework for the study. Employee well-being and quality of work life are independent variables, IV. Job satisfaction acts as the mediating variable, and organizational commitment is the dependent variable, DB. The arrows represent both the direct and indirect relationships that will be tested using the statistical analysis. Literature summary. Previous research support these relationships. Sumro and Shah, 2019, found that employee well-being improved job satisfaction and commitment. Thirigo 2020 highlighted that the quality of work life reduced stress and enhanced satisfaction. Oxford 2025 also showed that job satisfaction mediates the link between the workplace factor and commitment. However, few studies which examine all these variables together in the Malaysian SME context, which forms the gap this study aimed to address. Research methodology. This study adopts a quantitative cross-sectional design. Data will be collected from 150 to 250 SME employees in the service and manufacturing sectors across Malaysia. A stratified random sampling technique will be ensured a balanced representation. A structured questionnaire using a 5-point Likert scales will be distributed through the Google Forms. The data will be then analyzed using SPSS and Smart PLS with structural equation modeling (SEM) used to test the mediation effect. Measurement tools. To ensure accuracy and reliability, the study will adapt validated instruments from the previous research. Employee well-being item come from Sumro and Shah 2019. Quality of work life from Siriga 2020 and Engrimi 2019. Job satisfaction from Bashir and Ghani 2019. And finally, organizational commitment from Mayer and Allens 1991. 3-component model. A pilot test will be conducted and Cronbach alpha values above 0.7 will be indicate the reliability. Expected contributions. Academically, this study contributes to HRM literature by integrating employee well-being and quality of work life within the framework of STATS and Habsburg theory, specifically in Malaysian SME context. Practically, the findings will help SME managers design strategies to enhance the satisfaction and commitment, ultimately reducing the turnover rate. The research also supports Malaysia's Wawasan Kemakmuran Bersama 2030, which promote the workforce well-being and productivity. Conclusion. In conclusion, strengthening employee well-being and improving the quality of work life can lead to higher satisfaction and stronger organizational commitment. This study provides both theoretical and practical insights to help Malaysian SME to build more supportive and productive workplace. Thank you.